Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for June 24th, 2015. Doing a radar review of what we saw yesterday, and had some very, very strong storms down here in south central PA over to southeastern PA, especially near Philadelphia, all the way to the coast in coastal New Jersey, with many wind reports here in this area, with this Boeing line segment growing right here. So we had a wind gust of 71 miles per hour at Philadelphia Airport was one of the measurements. There were several 70 mile per hour wind gust reports. Another 67 up here in Wilmington as this line pushed through and started to bow out. But for areas farther north, it got spared, and that's because you had some leftover precipitation here in the morning moving to the far north here that kind of stabilized things. And then as this line got going, it only got going in the southern half of our southern third of our coverage area, because really it didn't even get up as high as even the Lehigh Valley. Some areas up here in the Lehigh Valley, northern Jersey, got some late storms here, but these were far weaker in comparison to what we had down here with this Boeing line segment. And that's what happens with severe weather a lot of times. Very hard to pinpoint exactly where these hit or where they're going to get going. And something like this right here in the morning, just that little bit could be enough to set the tone for the day, and that really did it in for the areas up north, which is good because we really don't want 70 mile an hour winds. I know some people, the way they talk on our Facebook page, they do. Not sure why, but here's our severe reports that we received. Or excuse me, the National Weather Service received. All the blues here indicated all the blues indicate wind damage. The greens are large hail in excess of 1 inch, and then we had that one report at Philadelphia here when we had the 71 mile an hour gust, so that is a high wind report. So this is obviously something that does a lot of damage. No confirmed tornado reports yet. There were a few funnel clouds yesterday spotted at different places, a couple microbursts that were taking place. Microburst and a tornado are two different things, and they are often confused by the amount of damage they do, the very localized downburst of damage they do, and everybody thinks it's a tornado. The National Weather Service will go out and send survey teams to assess that damage. One possible area is near the Deptford Mall in southern New Jersey here, and they're going to be sending crews out there to take a look at that and see what that was exactly. But from what I understand, a car flipped over as part of that damage. So that's something like that. The National Weather Service will take a look at and say, okay, this is what happened, and they have teams that are trained to discern what happened exactly. So they do that after the fact. We'll find that out today. But right now, no confirmed tornado reports. Here's what we're going on for the rest of the week. As we switch over to another image here, this is our model for today, and this is the cold front that came through last night, way down to the south. High pressure sitting right over top of us, giving us a bright, sunny, low humidity day. So very nice day here for your Wednesday. Now, things have changed a little bit again. This keeps going back and forth. I understand that. Here's a system coming in from the Ohio Valley they were talking about for Thursday, but this is going to come in a little bit later now. So it looks like most of Thursday is okay. Might have an increase of clouds late in the day, maybe a late isolated shower or thunderstorm, and then maybe a few showers overnight as well. And then maybe something hanging on very early in the morning. But most of the activity should be gone by for Friday. Friday now looks like a nice day. It looks like a partly cloudy day. It looks like maybe some morning clouds giving way to sun. So no clouds hanging around here and showers all day on Friday. And as we get into Saturday, we got the system that's down to our south here. This mess here looks like it was going to come north here on Saturday, but now the models are saying no, it's not. So we might have another day where it will be dry. It won't say nice necessarily for Saturday because it is going to be a little bit cooler, and high pressure is going to be in the Gulf of Maine. So that means we have onshore flow, and onshore flow means more clouds than sun. So expect a mostly cloudy or cloudy day here for many locations here on Saturday. This system to our south should stay to our south according to current model projections. And if that's the case, it'll stay dry at the very least. Might have to watch southern Delaware for getting into some of that action. Especially as we get later in the day on Saturday. We'll start to creep up and bring some more clouds and some showers here overnight, but I'm not sure that this is going to be a very robust system either. As we looked at the next frame here as we get into Saturday night, you got low pressure now moving offshore here that was previously out here. So this is just going to go out here like this instead of coming right up and over top of our coverage area. It's going to head out like this. We're left with some shower activity here. It's going to be cloudy with showers, and this is going to be on Saturday night, Sunday. But you see during the day here, you still got some shower activity going pretty much most of the day here. So we'll call it mostly cloudy or cloudy with showers. A few showers around here on Sunday. And it looks like Saturday might be the better of the 2 days. But again, not a lot of sun you're expecting because of that east wind that we're dealing with. And then we get into Monday, we're back to partly cloudy skies. We start to warm up a little bit. So we will be below normal this weekend. Temperatures will be well below normal for this time of year. Temperatures are generally in the 80 to 85 range for normal highs from north to south, and we're talking about temperatures are going to be in northern areas might even be stuck in the 60s, but elsewhere we're talking about temperatures in the low to mid 70s, and so we'll definitely feel a lot cooler than what we're accustomed to, and also what we should be for this time of year in relation to normal. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for June 24th, 2015. Have a great Wednesday.